Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and I am joined by Emma, and we are going to be doing Emma's maternity photos. Her information will be linked down in the description box below, as well as the full gallery of images. But before we get into the video, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides, or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. Okay, so for these photos, let's think like, what do the aunties want to see? What do the Facebook moms want? They want to see the bump. They want to see smiling, you know? Like, okay, let me just adjust. And you guys, wait, I'm like, I know the moment that my shutter goes down, she's gonna be like 4 poses in it. Like, so with the dress, we want to emphasize the bump as much as possible. So make sure that you kind of gather a little bit of the fabric poofing out on the side. Try to like kind of scoop it all up underneath and it will create a really beautiful shape. Yes, oh my gosh. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, she did a little 1-2 step. She said, look back at it. I can't. Gorgeous. Yes, stay just like that real quick and scoop the belly. Beautiful, Emma. And look over your shoulder at me. Yes, gorgeous. Do you mind taking a step forward just a little bit? Yep, beautiful, perfect. Oh, yes, beautiful. Oh my gosh, wait, look at me again. Give me that. She is I'm no, like when you looked at the camera, you said, I'm dead. Oh, I'm not. She said, link in bio. Swipe up to shop. I'm not okay. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Love it. Pull your elbow back ever so slightly so we see the waistline. Yes, gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna get some close-up shots. Actually, I'm gonna grab my reflector. We're gonna use a reflector because we're gonna get some close-up shots. So Annie, my wonderful photo assistant, behind the camera videographer, director, we are going to pop the camera up on a tripod and she's gonna hold it. And we're gonna be able to bounce some beautiful light onto Emma because we are in the shade. We could totally still get these portraits, but since we have it, it's a quick thing to have in your car. Get it on Amazon for like 30 bucks. You might as well grab one of these and use it because it just illuminates and creates a beautiful glow. You don't need it. You can also find natural reflectors in the environment. So if we had a white wall right here, that would reflect light onto Emma. But because we have this, we gotta use it. We gotta get our money's worth, all $30, milking every penny out of it. There are 2 different sides. We have gold and we have silver, and then we also have white, but I just love the silver. You might need to go to the, what's it called? The ophthalmologist or whatever, the eye doctor after at some point because it is bright, but it's all for the photos. Yes, oh my gosh, that smile. I'm gonna have you step back, Annie, just a hair for me. Beautiful. Gorgeous, really scoop the bump. Yes, 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 gorgeous. How the lighting is right now is we're totally in the shade with beautiful even lighting all across Emma, But then the background we have are the very start of golden hour. So we have this big pocket of sunlight streaming through, illuminating her in this beautiful glowy halo, and it's really gorgeous soft lighting. We did try to include the reflector just for some up close portraits, and it was just too harsh, and just shoot at a lower f-stop. So 1.6 is what I'm currently shooting at, but I might even move down to 1.2 for the close-up photos. Gorgeous. Has it been fun to take photos where you have the bump now?
Yeah.
It's like a little accessory, honestly.
Oh my gosh.
Super timeless, like you look so,
I
just wait for you to see, look at how gorgeous.
Oh, it looks
I mean, you're glowing, and it's not just because of the baby or because of the reflector.
You're so great.
You're so beautiful.
Oh my gosh,
look at
you're
your
so
smile. You're so freaking cute. So see, when you scoop the bump, that's what really you can really see it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so freaking
I'm
cute.
obsessed.
Yay! And then we're gonna get some really gorgeous ones down in the field, but I think we should do a couple more. Oops.
Beautiful. Wherever you want.
You are so beautiful. Pretty. Beautiful. Oh, that's really cute. Hello, little baby. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then let's get a close-up. Oh, that was really cute. I love that. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Yes. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna get a close-up of just your face. So cute.
Perfect.
Okay, are you ready to do your next look in the field? Okay, perfect. Oh, gorgeous, Emma. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, just like that, I'm gonna get some close-up shots right here. And then turn your torso all the way straight towards me. Yes. Oh. I'm gonna do a really close-up of just your face. Beautiful. And then bring your face straight. Yep, beautiful. Just this one here. Okay, perfect. And then big smile. Yes, gorgeous. Glowy. Oh my gosh. So magical. And bring your hand a tad bit under. Yes. She's a little bit unsure. But she's a little unsure about what this new chapter will bring, but she's ready. Her trust is in the Lord. Yes. Beautiful. Oh my, yes. Oh, ooh. You are so beautiful. Are you serious?
Really nice.
You look amazing. This is so freaking cute.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy you're happy.
Good. You are doing amazing. What if we do one where I have you cut the dress, you throw your hand in the air, and you give a little twirl. Maybe don't twirl all the way around unless you can, whatever you feel most comfortable doing. And then I'm gonna get a wide shot, and it's gonna be so magical with like the puffy dress. Oh my gosh, Emma, you're gonna scream when you see these. The light, beautiful. Yes, love. So freaking cute, Emma. Oh, yes. Do that again and bend towards me to give us a little yes. Gorgeous. Do a little simple, give it to the Facebook moms. Yeah, beautiful. And then bend your elbow back even more. Yeah, perfect.
Oh my gosh, the light is crazy.
Yeah, it's like, and this dress is the perfect choice because of how it's a tiny bit like, has a little bit of sheen to it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. You are so
Oh
stunning.
my gosh, I am shocked how.
Right?
'Cause I'm just like twirling and like.
It's the way that the light is interacting with this lens that just creates such like a
beautiful.
painting like look.
Yeah,
You're doing
yeah.
so good. Okay, I'm gonna have you now come this way because we have the light streaming through here. And then we're gonna go down after this to that little tree down there. But first, we'll do another little shot of the bump. Beautiful. And then scoop that back layer of fabric for me. Yep, perfect. Okay, let's do a close-up. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna scoot back about 3 miles because I have this lens that's super close up. Yeah, I'm like, I'll be over by the car. I'll be by that shuttle bus right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, the light right there. No, I can't. I can't. So beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. Look to the other side. Actually, no, sorry. Look that. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes. Yep, because then we see the bump. Maybe scoop. Yeah. Okay, stay just like that. Maybe pretend to walk for a second. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Cute. Oh my gosh. And the little bugs flying around look like little just like dandelions. Like, I love when the gnats come out because they help create such a beautiful photo. It looks so gorgeous. Really scoop the bump super yeah, beautiful. And then lean back ever so slightly. Yeah, perfect. Super cute.
Yeah, that's cute. Just
Oh my gosh.
Another way to mix it. The setting, the way it's low.
It's
like that,
so, yeah.
It's really pretty.
Oh, that's really beautiful. Look down one more time for me. Oh, that's super pretty. Yeah, and actually just kind of hold your hand there. We'll see the ring. Slide it up a little bit further towards, yep, beautiful.
I'm obsessed.
Yay, you did amazing. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your photography business. Whether you need help drafting a response to a tricky client situation or you want an extra set of eyes on your newly launched Squarespace website, Build and Bloom is my best free community resource. I've also launched season 2 of the Build and Bloom Photography podcast. You can listen and learn on your favorite platform. I like Apple and Spotify. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.